You should have seen your face that day. It was...
You scared me.
And I knew that your heart was about to jump out of your mouth.
Why won't my heart do that? Did the farm look like your home or mine?
But it was, the farm you go to all the time. You shouldn't be that scared.
You really scared me.
But
you're going to pay dearly for that.
Really?
Yes.
But I already apologized. Okay, let me apologize again. I am deeply, deeply sorry.
And you're not going to scare me again?
Yeah, I promised. I promised I will not scare you again. You know what I did? I actually tried to make you understand that even in the scariest of moments, I will always be there for you.
I love you.
That sounds sweet. Obi.
Okay.
You're here.
As you can see.
Yeah. Have we stayed here that long?
Yes, we have.
Really?
For him to have gone home and back, we have stayed long.
Yeah.
Okay. Uncle Amechi said you should come and give him the money you promised him so that he can join the other elders.
Oh. Okay. All right. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Beke, full moon, up Nepa. See, I must confess that I'm more excited to see you. Do you know how long I've...
Please, Obidike. I brought my cousin so that I can give him a nice haircut. Can we keep our conversation within limits?
I understand. It's a gradual process. Nah. Because of her, because of Chichi Beke, I am going to give you the best haircut nobody else have ever given you.
Please, concentrate and barb him. Please. Meanwhile, I want to buy something around the corner. This is the money for his haircut.
For what? You want to go and buy something? Wait. I'm the one who is supposed to give you the best treat. Right? Come. Take. Buy whatever thing you want to buy. You can buy soft drink so that you can be looking fresh for me.
Thank you. Excuse me. Stop. What is it?
I just wanted a hug.
A hug? In this place? Obidike, what is your problem? Please concentrate about my brother. Come in.
Chinua. Chibeke.
Cut my hair.
He cut you?
No. Na haircut I want, not be haircut.
Yeah, no, sorry. Come, sit.
No.
Sit, let me cut your hair now.
Anybody who says that poverty is not a disease is a demented fellow. Just imagine what we have gained. Just because, in fact, Take a look at your face. Would you have been going home this happy if Prince Chetana had not given you some money?
You have been talking non-stop since we left the palace. Do you know why?
No, I have not been talking non-stop. That is not true.
Let me tell you. Money and blood, they work together. Yes. In fact, they complement each other. Your happiness, as we speak now, is the money in your pocket.
That is true.
Oh, God will continue to bless that young man. Amen. I'm sure when he becomes the Igwe, our people will be the luckiest people in this land.
In fact, I will still go there tomorrow. I mean, to the palace, in case the prince still wants to share some money. Oh yes, I will go there tomorrow.
You are a greedy goat.
Me, greedy?
You are a greedy goat. It's written all over you. You want to go back to the palace. To do what? Okay, what if he decides not to share money again? What will you do? Will you turn to an armed robber and go and rob money from him? Or you turn diabolical and do something evil to him?
Amechi?
Yes?
What is the meaning of that? Are you accusing me of any of those things? Are you? In fact, Amechi, I demand an apology from you right now.
You are a madman. You are a complete madman. As a matter of fact, it is just now I realize that this your face that looks like that of a cat is loaded with madness. I said something harmless and you are making it personal. In fact, the only reason you will make it personal is either you have the intention of doing one of those things I just said, or you have been doing them already.
Amechi, look.
Touch me. Touch me. Try it.
Do you know?
Try it. Let me see.
Break your head.
Try it. I will break this your head to 1,000 pieces.
Look.
I will deal with you. You cannot. Look. Try it. Try it and I will break this your head.
I will scatter you now.
You cannot. Why? You cannot. You cannot.
Mom?
Yes,
Dad? And once again, I must say thank you for the warm reception and the love, the wonderful love you showered on me today. Thank you so much for everything.
Son, there is nothing a mother cannot do for her child.
Oh, women, they always like to take the glory. Son, is there anything a father cannot do for his son?
Son, we did what we did because we love you.
I know.
And we want the best for you.
Exactly. Any day. You know, I am really happy, not just because you came back home, but because I saw the pride and approval on the faces of my members of the cabinet. And you actually made me a proud father before them. I saw the look on their faces and it was priceless.
Do you know what? You guys are just the best parents anyone can ask for. Yeah.
And the good Lord will continue to bless you, son.
Amen. Okay, you know what? You've had a long day. You've had a sumptuous meal. I'm sure the next thing is to sleep. So, go in, have some rest, and then we'll talk again.
Dad, are you a prophet?
Well,
you
say so.
You just read my mind.
Oh.
Anyway, it's okay. I have to go up and take some rest. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Okay.
Good night. Wow. Our son is all grown up.
Just like his mother.
Just like his father. Well, that reminds me. Don't you think we should make another baby?
I think you're right. We should make another baby.
Oh.
Come on, let's go inside.
Come on then.
What is this excitement about? I'm sure before both of you got here, you already made up your mind to share with us. Because if you waste time in spilling it, there'll be trouble. What is going on?
Are you girls trying to tell me that you have not been in this village since yesterday. Nyabu, you have not heard the latest.
Latest? What happened?
Share with us.
Hey!
Calm down.
So you girls are not aware that Prince Chetana is back from Canada.
Hey!
Though I did not go to the palace, but I heard that the people around turned his return into a very big celebration. Not just that though. Hey! He was sharing dollars. Dollars.
Hey!
Dollars.
Hey!
Dollars.
Hey!
Dollars.
Oh, I still cursed whatever I was doing that made me miss that celebration yesterday and sharing of dollar.
Stop sounding as if anyone would have allowed you into the palace.
Look at this one, oh. Those that went there yesterday didn't have two heads. In fact, they slept well last night and woke up some dollars richer this morning.
And gift, you can still walk into the palace and demand that Prince Chetana should come out and give you your own share.
It is not beyond what I can do. I am not Lily Livered like you.
And who is Lily Livered?
Are you?
I will not tolerate the both of you crying over something some people have already enjoyed in the palace. Unless you want my mother to come and chase us out of here.
But you heard her talking rubbish.
Calm down. So, see, nobody's going to quarrel over nothing. But I think I'm in love with Mercy's idea. People should just check me out. Look at me very well. Imagine me catwalking into the palace and demanding for my own share of the largesse and getting it.
Did you take your malaria medicine before coming out this morning?
Nah, just koprom. So you think what I just said now is a symptom of malaria? Is that what you think?
Girls, actually I was on my way to Okudili's house to be with him before you girls came in.
So we should stand up now and leave. Or if you're not why?
If you want us to leave, tell us. Stop using indirect way to talk to us, people.
What's wrong with you? Are you blind?
I'm sorry. I am very sorry.
You're very sorry. Okudele, when you stop being this careless? I'll stop coming here.
No. You can't. See, you are one of my most valued customers. Please, I'm very sorry. I don't know.
You're very sorry.
That wasn't a nice way to treat your customer. You know that.
Oh, you saw what I did, but you did not see what he did. Yes, I was only teaching him how to stay away from what belongs to other people.
Oh.
Yeah, I hope I did not keep you waiting.
Of course you did. But I have no choice. Now that you are done cutting other people's hair, it's time to give me undivided attention.
And that is exactly what I'm going to give you after I'm done eating.
Oh, no. You have to go and wash your hands.
What is wrong with my hands? Must you always behave like my mother?
If you are not a big baby, you will know you're supposed to wash your hands before you touch what you want to eat.
Okay, let me go and wash my hands. Go wash my hands. My hands are clean. Can I now eat your delicious food?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
But you have to be fast before customers come in.
Okay. All right, open it. Oh my. Have I ever told you that you are one of the best cooks in the world?
Oh, you have said that to me more than 1,000,000 times in the past few days.
Really?
Yes.
Have I ever told you that?
Yes, you have.
You didn't even know what I wanted to ask.
Oh, Kudili, I know. There is nothing nice and sweet you haven't said to me. So shut up your mouth and eat your food.
Okay. Have I ever told...
Oh! Eat!
Have I ever told you that?
I knew you were going to say something.
And the Lord said unto him, I shall give your enemies into your hand, for you to deal with as you wish. This is the word of the Lord.
Hey, son.
My prince.
Why is erosion everywhere? Why is the whole road so bad?
My prince, this actually is one of the best we have around here.
This that I'm seeing now? The best in this town?
Yes.
Why? I mean, when is it because of the rainy season or the erosion? What's going on? Huh?
A great son of the land. Good to see you.
I greet you, sir. How are your people?
Oh, we are fine.
Good.
But I was not expecting to see you this early. I mean, considering the fact that you traveled a very long journey from Canada, one will expect that you might still be sleeping or having your rest.
Ichi Onochie, you know, in the pursuit of happiness and fulfillment, every second counts. Okay? I just want to walk around and feel the town, you know, see my people too and know their problems so I can know where to come in and help.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it.
That is very wonderful of you, my son. Just imagine, as you continue to think of what will make others happy and fulfilled, happiness and fulfillment will always be your habitation.
Amen. Thank you. I appreciate you for that.
Oh.
I
It's
appreciate
okay. Actually, I was going to somewhere very important before I met you.
It's okay.
It's all right. I will come to the palace later to have a word with your father.
It's okay.
It's all right. Let me be on my way.
All right. Take care.
All right.
Yeah.
I hope your father has not exhausted the goodies you came down with.
Ichi Onochie, do not worry. When you come to the palace, I will supply you with enough goodies.
Oh, that is more like it. I will be there.
It's okay. You take care. Hey, let's go.
Look at them like gold diggers. Always looking for already men. They only care for the material things. If I yeah. Best of the same feather, they flock together. If only na choki beya na cho. Yeah. Best of the same feather, they flock together.
Yeah, Sophia, you are right. You are right. I haven't told them about you. But they are certainly not the problem. I won't stop you from coming if you want to. Yes, I am sure they'll be delighted to see you. Sophia, we've talked about this over and over and over again. My parents are not the problem. The only problem they have here is for me to marry who I love and the person loves me back. And you know what? I love you.
Hello, son.
Oh, Dad. Oh, wait, I'll call you back. My dad is here. Okay? Dad, how are you?
Well, can I say I'm fine? I've had a hectic day, though. So, when are you bringing her home?
Bringing who home?
Sophia.
Dad, who told you about Sophia?
That shouldn't be the question now. I only asked you when are you bringing her home to see your parents. I mean, I'm sure that you will make a good choice. You have taste. I know that she's a beautiful girl too. I am also convinced that your mother would like to see her.
Anyway, Dad, I think she's busy at work at the moment. I'll make an arrangement on how to bring her home on her next vacation.
Excellent. Now I am convinced that you have a very good head sitting on that neck of yours.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much.
It's okay. When you're done, see me inside and tell me how your day went.
Okay, Dad. Okay. Hello. Yeah, that was my dad. So, as I was saying,
You like it?
Hey, Ofuma, very sweet though.
Just take it easy. You know there is pepper inside.
I know.
Yeah?
You're not eating?
No, all for you.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you.
My full moon. Up Nepa. I want you to look at me with pity. Just take a good look at me with pity. And tell me what you think of the way I just poured my heart to you.
Hey, you see this pepper soup? It's very sweet. Osoka. Hey, honestly, you are making my day enjoyable.
I know, but I'm not talking about what we are eating and drinking. I'm talking about us. Hey,
about us? What about us?
Chine, you know I've always told you that I love you so much. Please, just accept me. Accept me to be your boyfriend. And believe me, I will show you care. I will show you love more than you can ever think of.
Good thought, Obidike. Good thought. Honestly, I would like to be your girlfriend. But...
But what?
You know I just broke up with my ex. And it was one hell of an abusive relationship. You see, this is my heart. This heart needs to get healed. I need to completely forget everything about my ex before going into another relationship.
Chine, I promise never to fail you. I swear to God.
I am scared. I'm scared of going into another relationship. Please.
Okay, but you have nothing to be scared of. I promise you. See, I understand what you're saying. Okay, fine. Just take your time. But I want you to take our conversation. This conversation we just had. Just take it very close to your heart. Pico. Full moon. Asa. Nepe will talk.
Okay, there's no problem. Thank you very much for understanding. You're just a nice guy.
Hey.
Yes, you are nice.
Thank you too. But you have to know me better. You know it's a gradual process.
It's a gradual process.
Yes. Eat. If you finish it, I will tell her to bring more. Just
This
enjoy
pepper
yourself.
soup is the best. Seriously. Osoka.
I look at them like gold diggers. Always looking for already made. They only care for the material things.
What's up?
If I
Hey.
Baby la hot.
Yes.
Where have you been? We have been looking for you everywhere in this village.
Hey, you have been looking for me everywhere. Did anything happen?
So something has to happen before we can sit as friends, gist and talk.
Can you imagine? Is this place my house? Don't you know my house?
Hey,
Stop.
It's our fault.
Yes.
We're very sorry. The thing is, we went to your husband's house. We saw your mother-in-law. She said she has not seen you. Then we still proceeded to your maternal home. Neither did we see your grandmother, nor you. Sorry.
Mercy, honestly, I don't have time for your trouble. I don't have your time, seriously. Anyway, Obi took me out. Yes. And then I came to see Fama, but she's not around, so...
Obi took you out? Which Obi?
Hey, Obi took the papa now.
Hey! Interesting! Oh, poor boy. He is really in love, oh.
Yes, he is. I like him though. But I can't do what Ifeoma is doing. I need a man that can take good care of me. Not a poor baba.
That is not the topic here. The issue is that you went for this kind of enjoyment to go and jollificate without taking your friends. How can you forget to call us?
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. See, it's not what you girls think. Seriously, when he called me, I even thought it was a joke. But before I knew it, we were already drinking, chewing, scattering everything, seriously. But that's not a problem. Next time, I'll make sure you go with me. Maybe tomorrow next.
Hey, now you're talking. That's more like it.
So you thought he was joking when he asked to take you out. That is how you would think he is joking before you know it. You'll be screaming. Ouch! Ewo! Atabuomo! Under his bed!
Let's go, John. Look at this stupid girl.
Mama is not around.
She's not around. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Come. Oga, no be so they walk, oh. No be so they walk. Which I'm saying, you know who come work yesterday, you know who come today. See Matthew no day here. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Oga, no, they give me those nonsense excuses. Which kind excuses be that one? I will call you back. Our beautiful wife.
DK, how you doing?
I'm fine. Good evening.
Good evening. Where's your brother?
Okay, he went out. He went to get some things we'll be needing here. But I believe he should be at home now.
No, he's not at home. I'm just coming from there. But that's not a problem. When he comes back, tell him I checked up on him.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Please, wait. Just a minute. Have you seen your friend Chineye today?
Chineye?
Okay, maybe on your way home you will see her.
Obidike, what's going on? Is Chineye in any kind of trouble?
Trouble kwa? No. Hey, trouble jekwe nkia. Well, I've always wanted to tell you. I like her. In fact, I love your friend. And I want her to be my girlfriend. But she has been avoiding me. She don't want to give me the chance. Please, tell me the truth. Does she have someone else?
Obidike, Chineye is my friend. Yes, she's a good girl. But she's into big things. I don't know how far you two have gone or how she has been responding to you. But honestly, if I'm to advise you, please turn your eyes elsewhere. Please. Yes. It's okay. Take care of yourself. I'll see you later. Bye.
So Chineye is into big things. If she's into big things, me, I am barbarous. It's just a gradual process. No let time it go take. If it will cost me my last penny, my last shengbang, nobody dares to separate us. So nobody. Chineye is mine. Yeah. That time will take.
What is it? What is it? Did anything happen?
Obidike's mind is no longer safe because he thinks about you. I could see that he's madly in love with you.
So this is the reason you got me thinking all sorts of things, eh? You actually made my mind skip beats. I once thought something real bad had happened.
Tell me, what are you doing with him?
Oh, he has been on my case for a while now. Confessing love like he is eating his best meal.
Well, what did you tell him?
The truth. The truth you, Mercy and Gift know about me. If you ask him, he will still tell you the same thing.
I'm not asking him. Chinenye, whatever you do, always remember that Obidike is not responsible for what your ex did to you. Please don't take it out on him.
Of course I am not going to do that to him. But try to teach him how to take no for an answer. However, the earlier he realizes he is chasing shadows, the better for him.
Do you even have any feelings for him?
It's like you didn't understand what I just said here. Well, let me break it for you. I am not ready to be in love with anybody for now. Yes, I just want to be on my own, have some fun, feel myself, and that's all. Is that clear enough?
I'm not worried about you because I know that you can always take care of yourself.
Of course.
Obidike is my fiancé's brother. I wouldn't want him to get hurt.
Hey, are you threatening me?
What is wrong with you? I'm only giving you a friendly advice.
Okay, well, friendly advice indeed.
It's okay, let's go back.
So that's all. You are people.
I'm sure you girls didn't come to have a haircut. So I'm wondering what is responsible for this visit. I hope I'm safe.
Of course you are safe. We just came to pay you a visit.
Courtesy visit. And if we will be in your way of business, we could leave.
Dude, shit! Don't say that. Leave. Go where? Please, feel comfortable. Relax. Relax.
So, how is your brother and how is business?
My brother is fine. He actually went to return clipper blades he sharpened for some people. And he also has some home services to attend. Yes. And as for the business, we thank God.
Yeah.
That's great.
That's really good to hear. And it's obvious business is doing well. I can see that for myself. Isn't God such a kind God? God is a marvelous God.
So tell me, what do I offer you girls?
Oh my God! He really acts like a perfect gentleman.
But I told you girls that he is a perfect gentleman.
Wow!
Obi, just get us anything nice. We're fine with it, right?
Of course, something chewable, eatable, merry, correct.
Then let me go out and get something nice for you girls. Something okay.
Sweet bar! Obidike, executive baba.
Look on no door. Anything you see, eat.
You see? Me waiting for medicine before I come here. Don't take it. Chinenye, what name did you use to store his number on your phone? Is it something like Mugu 11, Mugu 12, or Outing Boy? No. Shawarma Boy. Or better still, let's calm down and see what he has for us. If it's Bones, we'll save it as Bones Boy. Sweet boy!
Woo!
Wow!
Obin, you are such a darling. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Is that chicken? Oh my God! Oh, this is nice. Let me have that one.
Am I really a darling? Please. Gift and Mercy. Am I really a darling?
You're such a wonderful Darling, sweet boy. In fact, let's contribute kisses for him. Sweet boy.
This is the sweetest thing that has ever happened to me today. And hearing it from the sweetest angels, this is the best thing that has ever happened to me in this life.
Oh dear. I am happy we made you the happiest guy on earth today.
And you owe us big time for this huge favor.
See, anything for you girls. Anything, just mention it. Just mention it. Anything, I'll go and buy another thing. Just mention it. Eat, enjoy yourself.
We have to run along now. Yes. Thank you so much for the treat, Thank you.
My chicken is big. I swear to God. Thank you. Let me put mine there.
No, what your own? I beg. Sorry, not come and take my own.
Not too fast. You girls just came and you want to start doing.
Oh, babe. Do you want us to stay here the whole day? Yeah? See, we were actually going somewhere, right?
Yes.
Then I thought it nice to see you first because I know some things are more important than others.
Of course, yes. Some things are actually more important than others. And one of those things is coming to see you.
No problem about that. So, when are we seeing how is it going to be?
Okay, it will be later. I'll just let you know when I'm ready. Yes.
You know, it's a gradual process.
Very gradual.
Run along now. Sweet boy.
Chineye, eat. Just enjoy yourself. If you finish it, I buy another one for you. Just enjoy, eat. Chineye, I said eat, enjoy yourself. Just eat anything.
What happened to the money in the drawer?
Okay, you mean the money? Yes, Chineye and her friends came, so I decided to buy those small.
All the money in the drawer?
Honey, Obidike is your brother. You can settle this as brothers. I wouldn't want you to end up like some families where siblings are always at war with each other. You can sit him down and talk some sense into him.
And where exactly am I supposed to start?
You can start from somewhere. You can start by telling him about the good things he has always done and why you want him to continue in that path. You don't need to start by yelling or screaming at him. You don't need to scream at him about the terrible things he has done. Sweetheart, you can start from somewhere.
He doesn't even understand. He doesn't understand that he is. I want to know the girl he spent all the money he made yesterday on. I mean, is that even how to start a relationship?
Another thing you have to do, you have to talk, not scream or yell. You have to talk to him. You know how stubborn you guys can be when it comes to telling you the truth about the girl you fancy. That reminds you of someone.
You know, you do have a way of making me smile, even in the darkest of moments.
That's because you're my joy.
And your heartbeat pumps my blood.
You really need to see how people are suffering in this village. You need to see how far people will go to fetch water. So, my dear, I am trying to see how I'm going to stop where all this trekking long distance to go fetch water. alleviate people from all this poverty. Yeah. Hold on. Sam.
Yes,
who are
my
those
prince.
girls?
Oh, my prince, they are maidens from our village.
I will call you back. I would like to talk to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see what I will do. The enjoyment to see that chicken, eh? You know what was saying that?
Hold on, I'll call you back.
Good afternoon.
How are you? Okay. You know, I'm just driving around the town to see how I'm going to stop all these problems and stress for my people, you know? I have a plan of stopping this trekking long distance to fetch water.
Wow.
Yes, and I also have a plan of sinking boreholes in some strategic points.
That is great, my prince.
Really?
So all the stress of trekking long distance to fetch water will stop.
That sounds good. That sounds good, my prince.
So, where are you guys going to?
We're actually going to see our friend.
Yeah, we want to take the shortcut.
Okay. Why don't you get inside the car? Let me drop you off.
No, my prince. That won't be necessary. That won't be necessary, my prince.
Okay.
Our legs are not aching, so we can actually walk.
No, it's okay.
My prince,
okay.
so are you saying that we should get into your car so you take us to wherever we want to go to?
Exactly. Okay?
Let's not stress you, my prince. Let's not stress
Let's
you.
go.
No, it's not a stress.
Please.
I'm okay with it. It's not a stress. Come on.
Oh, please, my prince, don't mind her. A giraffe fine, you see, my prince. Let's go. A giraffe fine, you see.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Look at them like gold diggers. Always looking for already made. They only care for the material things. If I yeah. Birds of the same feather, they flock together. If only na choki be ya na cho. Yeah. Birds of the same feather, they flock together. Fana chonye fa when that you know what it
It's a pleasure being with you.
Oh, my prince, thank you so much for this beautiful ride. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy.
My prince, I'm really enjoying it, like seriously.
Prince, if you don't mind, I would like to get your number so I can call you up anytime.
My prince, don't bother, okay? So just
Relax. Yes.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh, my prince, I don't know. You know, it's been long you came back, so I hope you like what you're saying. You like the view.
Yeah.
And you said you help change some things in the village.
A lot.
Like, you know, giving us boreholes and my prince, it's my God that will
Allow
bless.
the prince to rest.
He's not complaining.
He needs to rest.
My
It's
prince,
okay, it's
my
okay.
prince is not
Feel free.
complaining.
Ask me whatever you want to ask me, okay?
You see, my prince said I should ask you whatever I want.
Here for my people.
Oh, so
Okay.
so my prince, have you eaten? Have you eaten?
I'm fine, okay? I'm fine.
Because if you've not eaten, my mother made beautiful sweet onubu soup.
Look at them like gold diggers. Always looking for already made. They only care for the material things. If I
It's really been a wonderful time with you girls.
Yes.
Same here.
I wish I were not in a hurry. I would have taken you to your houses.
Oh.
Are you sure here is close to your homes?
Yes, it's close. Thank you so much. You really tried for us today.
We're close to our homes.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay. You take care.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Don't you think that she was slightly overdoing it?
Eh?
Me. You didn't have to personalize him. My prince this, my prince that. You should have just stopped it at prince, just as Mercy and I.
You're very correct. She was overdoing it. And that was why she was the first person to ask for his phone number in the car.
Thank you, my sister. You gifts. Were you not overdoing it? I am asking you, were you not? Please. Chetana is the least of my problem. I just pray my mother doesn't skin me alive for staying out this late.
Just like that?
Just like that.
It's now Chetana?
Yes.
And no longer my prince. Hey! Okay, let me meet up to the pace. Since it is no longer my prince, it is now Chetana. I can as well say I had fun having my Chetana all to myself. Oh, my Chetana.
Hey, Mama, are you okay?
It's sweet, sensual.
Are you alright?
Please, please, please. This nonsense you're doing is not my problem. You will not be there to explain to my mother. So I'm sorry I have to leave you girls now. Bye.
Don't you think she was being too forward with the prince? This girl, I don't trust her.
Just look at you don't have respect for yourself. Now you're passing it on Chinenye. Were you not the first person to ask for his phone number in the car? Or you thought I did not see you? So, how are we going to do it, my friend? Will you be the first to call or should I call first? Hello, my Chetana. This is gift. Yes, a gift. The one that was sitting in the middle with small Oshiko on her head. No, come back and listen to me. Let me tell you how to make it.
Honestly, I don't understand it. What exactly is wrong with what I've just said?
Are you not stupid asking me such question? Eh? If you must spend money anyhow, why don't you open your own business and squander your money on women? Why waste your brother's money?
But you should know by now that I'm not into women. I am not a womanizer.
Has your foolishness not made you worse than those who are womanizers? Tell me.
Why is it that each time I have issues with Okudele, you always support him? You always side him? Why is it like that?
I don't know what you're talking about. But the only thing I want to drum into that coconut you call head is that your brother spent so much. In fact, it took him so much to make up that barber shop. So, don't be an enemy of progress. If you cannot help him make out something good in that place, Obidike, quit.
Yeah. Oh, Chimo. So all these things you are saying is because I bought common meat pie and soft drink for a woman I want to marry. The love of my life.
A woman you want to marry?
Yes, nah.
Have you told my husband about that?
No, I've not told him, but I know I will still tell him. I will still tell him about it.
Manobidike, it will not work. Read my lips. Omanle! It will not work. Look at who is talking about marriage. You have not even sustained yourself. You want to go and marry somebody's daughter and bring her here to come and die of hunger and starvation. Oyicho?
Me, I don't understand what you are saying, oh. I don't understand. Instead of you to help me convince her, talk to her. Eh? You are here telling me that she will die of starvation. I don't understand, though.
So you are still struggling to convince her? I will not allow you to destroy your destiny and that of someone else's daughter. Obidike, I am sure if your mother were alive, she would support my decision. I'm not fair. You not think about yourself first.
I don't know what you're talking about. I've said my own. This is my decision. She's the girl I want to marry. Instead of you to help me talk to her, you are here killing my morale. Eh? You are here killing my morale. Me, I've said it all. I will marry her. I will marry her. This is a gradual process. Which one is that she will die of starvation? Am I not working hard? Am I not? No, nobody should tell me that, I've already made up my mind. Yes.
Hey, wow. You girls are on everyone's sleep in this village. Hey. I'm so happy for you girls.
Thank you, my sister. Now God, now God, the blessed person. Thank you. And if you did not abandon us to go answer the call of Okudele's love, we would have gone out together, and by now you would have been a celebrity like us.
Hey, local celebrity indeed. Well, I cannot exchange my Okudele's happiness for any local celebrity status.
Come on, stop it. Which one is local celebrity? If you're beginning to be jealous, you just tell me. Tell me with style. That's by the way. Prince Chetana is quite a gentleman to the core. Hey, name Omaka.
Hey,
he's so cute. The way he talks, the way he looks at you. Oh. Tina was so surprised that I was able to contain myself around him. Unlike Chinaya and Gift, who were all over him. He might not follow Berry, just small thing for Chinaya to even start breastfeeding him. I'm telling you the truth.
Mercy. Well, what matters is that you girls are the ones he's driving around town. Unlike other girls in the village that are still dreaming to come close to him, he's driving you girls around.
You can say that again, my dear. Oh, Grace. Grace found us.
Yes, tell me, what were you girls discussing with him?
A lot. We talked about a lot of things, You know, when you have big dreams, you look for capable hands to back it up. You know, I have this political ambition. So we talked about how he's going to come in to partner with me to, support my campaign. Because the post I am going for is not a small one. I am not going for local government or House of Rep or all those kind of position. I am going for the presidency. So I need millions. I talked about how he's going to bring millions to support my campaign because my dream is not to be the president's wife. I want to be the president of this great nation.
Mercy. Mercy. Thank you.
I thought you wanted to know what we talked about.
Not anymore.
If you do not listen to my crazy stories, who will? So I should go and stop a madman on the road and start gisting the madwoman. What are friends for? You have to listen to me. Okay, I'll tell you. We talked about what girls discuss when they are with a boy they are crushing on.
Wait, are you girls crushing on Prince Chetana?
What is it? Obidike, what is it?
Full moon. Look at the way you made me run as if I'm preparing for the Olympics. You should have stopped when I called you.
I wanted to stop now, but I saw some people there. And I thought there could be some cheap gossips.
Please, I want to ask you a very important question. And I want you to tell me the truth.
What truth?
The news about you and your friends being driven around town by Prince Chetana.
And I suppose we committed an abomination. Is it a crime?
Please, calm down. I didn't call you for us to start quarreling. I only called you so that we can say hello. Just wanted to say hello to you.
You called me so that you can say hello. Okay, say hello.
Hello.
Hi. Hi, see you later. Goodbye.
Chine, yeah? Maybe I know that it's a gradual process. It's just a gradual process. Everything will be fine.
won't rush you. Eh? I won't rush you.
Mercy, no, that's not true. No, I can't come. I have something very important to do. Okay, fine. I need to be with Okudili. He's all the fun I ever need. No, guilty of what? I'm not guilty of anything. Oh. Okay, you guys should have fun. Take care. Bye. This girl.
Who was that on the phone?
My new boyfriend.
Huh? Who?
The love of my life is not a killer.
Ah, you know him that much?
I know him more than he knows himself.
Wow. He knows that you don't have a new boyfriend. He knows.
Well, I know that he got tired of waiting for me to come into his shop and brighten up his life. So he came out to plead with me to come into the shop. So,
okay. You win. Yeah. You win. Okay. Baby, please. Come into my shop and brighten it with your beautiful face. What you guys looking at?
Oh, my prince.
If you need another thing, just let me know. Okay?
Thank you. You're such a good man. Oh, where is Mercy?
She's on the phone.
Okay.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, no. I think we should go for shopping first. After that, we can now eat and go for swimming.
Oh, no. Let us eat first. And when we're done with eating, we will now go for shopping and then swimming. And by the time we're done with all of that, we would have lost some calories.
Wow. So, tell me about Ifama. You know what? I don't know why the 3 liveliest girls I've ever met in my life are friends with one boring, stuck-up girl.
My friends, to cut the long story short, Ifoma is madly in love with Okudili, the Baba. Yes. And unfortunately, her life seems to revolve around him.
Yeah.
Her life revolves around him, the Baba, that cuts hair, a mere Baba.
Yes, my prince. A mere Baba.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
My prince, you know, for some girls, money and material things are all that matters.
Yeah.
While for some others, love is all that matters.
Yeah.
And Ifoma happens to fall in that category. And the man in question is also madly in love with her.
Yeah.
What is wrong with some girls?
I don't know.
Is she blind?
My prince, that was what gave his younger brother, who is also a Baba, the guts to start hitting on me. But trust me, I taught him the lesson of his life. Next time when he sees a girl, he would think twice before approaching her.
I trust you.
What is wrong with those Babas? Are they mad?
Don't mind them.
Instead of looking for something important to do with their lives, they are there investing their poverty mentality upon this kingdom.
I wonder, my prince. Please, let's forget about Ifoma and enjoy our time. You didn't bring us here to talk about Ifoma, but to spend some quality time with you and have fun.
Exactly. And seriously, my prince, I want fish since you said
It's
we should
okay, I
eat.
think you're right. So what are we doing next?
Shopping!
No. Since you said you want us to eat, me, I need fish. I need to eat fish.
My darling prince. Oh, I hope you're okay.
You know, I'm just short of words
Oh.
to explain what just happened. You blew my mind.
Oh, well, I am glad you feel this way. When I was practically forcing you to send my friends home so we could have this moment together. I'm sure you didn't know it was going to be this explosive.
But how did you, I mean, you live in the village and you're...
Oh, my darling prince. The world is a global village. With our phones, the internet, geographical locations are no longer barriers to acquiring any knowledge. You see?
You are the real deal.
Oh, my prince. And you are the deal maker. Yeah. Hello, snap out of it. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking maybe we should spend the night together.
Oh, my prince. You know I would have loved to, but my parents won't understand, okay? I have to go home. But darling prince. Oh! You are so sweet.
So after dropping off Chinenye yesterday, where did you take the prince to? And do not even think of telling me that you took him to Aso Rock to see Queen Elizabeth, because I don't have time for cock and bull stories.
Hey, what are you trying to say?
What I am trying to say is that after you guys dropped me off, I didn't go home straight because I didn't want my parents to see the things I brought home. I had to take a shortcut to my cousin's house to drop them off. And while I was coming back, I saw you with my two eyes, koro, clear, inside Chetanna's car, laughing at Ashieze. I saw you. And the next thing, you guys were heading out of the village. Where exactly did you people go to?
Prince Chetanna. A whole Prince Chetanna that you are addressing as you guys. Can you imagine?
That is by the way.
Are you trying to cover up for your sudden disappearance with the prince? Ijagwo, Emiamepo. You went out with the prince, when we were at the shopping mall. Are you trying to cover up for that? Where did you go with him?
Oh, wait, gifts. So you went back to Oka with my prince, my own prince, after you guys dropped me off?
No, that's not true. You this messy. Don't mind this girl. She has a way of talking trash sometimes. You just have to stop this. You just have to.
So the both of you feel that you are smart enough to fool me, okay?
Fool you, kwa? No. Chinenye, it's not what you think, oh.
How can it be what she thinks? Can she even think? She can't think. Because you're the only one who has brain to think. And we don't have brain at all.
Oh, just shut up. Shut it, Mercy. In fact, I don't want to say anything to both of you. I don't just have your time. You see, girls, whatever it is, swallow it and let it choke the both of you. I don't want to know again. There's no problem.
Hey, Nenye, come back. Hey.
Yeah. Okay.
You see what you cost now? Have you seen it?
Calm down. Listen, it is just me and you here now. Chinenye is no longer here. So no ears will hear it at all. We'll cover it up. So for your own good and for our own good, say the truth and shame the devil. Say the truth and let God bless you.
Did you and the prince do it, you know?
Do what? Mercy, do what?
Why are you shouting?
Do what?
Why are you shouting? Break down your voice. My question is, Ngina prince apialoku une iweli forma?
You are crazy. Please, I have important things to do with my time. Not to stay and talk rubbish with you.
Ah, maybe I should start counting the leaves on this tree since I don't have anything to do with my time. Do I even have time? Or start counting sand?
Hello? Hello, my prince. Yes, it's me, Chinenye. I am obviously not fine. Please, I want to ask you one question, and it is very important to me. Yes. Please, I want to know. Am I not good enough for you? I know why I'm asking, no. I'm asking because you've been taking my friends on special trips, and you've not deemed it fit to even take me for one. Did I do anything wrong to you? You said? Really? Okay. Okay, there is no problem. It will be a great pleasure to me to go with you on a special trip. Yes, I will cherish it forever. Okay, thank you, my prince. Thank you. Squanum, come here now, man. Let me know what is happening.
What's going on? Why does it look like there's a war I need to know about?
Nothing happened. I just want her to stop following me around.
Really? Nothing happened.
What happened? What?
Please, have you by any chance seen Chinenye?
Chinenye? What's going on?
Have you seen her?
No, I haven't. What did she do that has turned you both to warlords? What?
She didn't do anything. It's nothing to worry about. It's just that we feel that her mother is looking for her. That's just it.
Why are you talking as if you have some loose screws and bolts in your brain?
What is that? Are you high?
Are you alright?
Is there something wrong with you?
Is there something wrong with you?
Okay?
Don't try it. Don't try it.
It is obvious that the both of you do not want to tell me what the problem is. Fine. If you are still ready, if you are still interested in looking for Chidide, you can go to where you girls usually go with Prince Chetana.
But there is no special place we go with the prince. He just drives us around in his car, and that's about it.
That's all.
Just
cruising.
There's no problem. Maybe you should go through those roads and look for her. You might find her.
But there's no special place we go with the prince. He only drives us around in his car, and that's about it. And you? Do you know you are such a lousy, loud mouth?
And is that the reason you talk faster than your brain thinks? You just open mouth, wah! And things will start falling out.
You are insulting me. You dare insult me. If you try it, I will beat you blue and black right now.
I forgot. World heavyweight boxing champion! All hail thee!
I heard you beat up Anthony Joshua 2 weeks ago. Technical knockout.
Boo-boo! You gave him
an
Don't try. By the time you're done ranting, you come. Let's go and do something very useful with our lives.
Who is going with you?
You did not hear me. I said, let's go.
I look at them like gold diggers. Always looking for already made. They only care for the material things. If I lean, if I am.
My prince. My prince.
What is it?
My prince, please. It's late.
It's late.
Yes, my prince.
I need to get some rest, okay?
My parents will kill me. I have to go now, please.
Come on, baby. It's late. We can't get to the village now.
Hey God, what will I do? What will I tell my parents? I've not been in this type of situation before.
See, you just have to relax and enjoy the moment. Okay?
You don't understand, my parents.
Baby, listen. Okay. When we get to the village tomorrow, if I can't go with you to your house, I will tell Sam to go drop you off. But I promise you nothing will happen to you.
Are you sure?
Of course, I am sure. Come on, do you think that your parents will react when I tell them that you're one of the best behaved girls selected to serve my friends that came down from Canada for a wedding? They won't react, come on.
I don't want my parents to beat me, please.
Just enjoy the moment, okay?
Okay.
Oh.
What's the meaning of this? Why are you standing in my way?
Chineye, where were you throughout yesterday?
Who just asked this question?
Are you blind? Can't you see me standing right in front of you?
Hey, and who are you to ask me that stupid question? Are you my father or my mother?
Chineye, you've not answered my question. Where were you throughout yesterday?
Obidike, I will just pretend I did not hear you and go to the matter.
And I am not going to pretend anything. I ask you again, where were you throughout yesterday?
What's the meaning of this nonsense? Why are you asking me that stupid question? You are asking me a question that my parents did not even ask me. Are you stupid? What's that? Obidike, am I your girlfriend? No. So why are you asking me that? Okay. I understand. Now I get it. So because you managed to spend some miserable cash on me, you now feel that you own me. Okay? Hey, now. Hey. How much is that? How much did you even spend? Tell me. How much?
Chineye, see, it's not like...
Okay, listen to me. The next time you stop me on the road and ask me this stupid question, you will not like what I will do to you. I swear.
Hey, this is getting out of hand, though. It's no longer going gradually. I think I've messed things up for myself. But I didn't know she would be this angry. I have to make things up. I have to make things right. I have to make things right. But Chineye, why are you treating me like this? Why?
What's going on? What's going on?
I'm fine. Oh, I don't know about gifts, but as for me, nothing is going on. How are you?
I'm fine. Not bad. So, where are you girls going to? So I can join you once I return from the market. Because my mother is waiting for me at home.
Before you go, I have a question to ask you.
What could that be?
Why have you been avoiding us since you came back with Prince Chachana? Bam.
Me? Hey! Who said I've been avoiding you too? Why should I be avoiding you? See, my friends, the truth is, my mother has been sending me on errands. That's the simple truth. And who told you I came back with Prince Chatana?
Why? Because Jiriwayo, oh? Potaba, come out. Don't even take that part. There's traffic there. Chinene, do I need to remind you that we are your friends and not some strangers? Listen and listen attentively.
The question is, did you do it with Prince Chetana? And please save us all the sordid details. Yes or no will do. Just answer the question.
As what? As my mother? Why should you ask me that stupid question? What do you guys want from me? What exactly? What do you want? What?
You want to tell us you don't know why we have been looking for you? Your mother told us that the prince told her that you were one of the good guests selected to serve at the palace on night.
Legend of the Sava.
Well, you know what, girls? We've been friends since childhood. And I sincerely love you girls. But the truth is, there comes a time in our lives when we need to live as individuals who are independent on one another.
Interesting.
What a wonderful speech. What a marvelous speech. We have just been inspired. And I have come to the realization that this kind of talk usually happens when there's a revelation that is get towards an elevation. It's not your fault. I do not blame you at all, my friend. I blame the anointing oil that has flown from Prince Chetana's groin into your humble abode.
Oh, I can see you girls are not blind. The weather has changed. It's about to rain. And I don't want rain to wet this my beautiful, expensive skin. I'm rushing somewhere. I'll see you girls later, please. Oh?
Can you imagine?
There is nothing to imagine, Gift. I cannot imagine anything at all. Because she is doing the exact thing you did when we suspected that Prince Chetana's anointing oil also flowed into you.
You know what? I am not going there with you again.
You lie. We must go there. You lie.
Says who? Says who, Gift? You must go there. Why are you following me now? Go back. Stop following me again. And
why should I not follow you? What are friends for? You don't like hearing the truth.
Don't keep telling you.
Son, it's obvious you're in love with a girl in this place.
Mom?
I won't hold it against you. Your father and I won't even mind having a daughter-in-law from here.
Mom, I told you I have a girl I want to marry.
Sophia. When last did you call her? Okay, son, you don't need to answer that. The space in your heart is filled with the love you have with a girl in this place. It could be lost, but...
Mom, my time has been dedicated to the work, all the books I've been doing. It's really not been easy trying to put things together. So you don't have to jump to conclusion.
Son, you're old enough to get married. We want to have grandchildren running around this place, raising their tiny voices to the heavens. What do you say to that?
Mom, I have a girl I want to marry. Sophia is the girl I'm bringing home. I can't afford to lose her and all the things I stand to gain from her in Canada.
Wait a minute, son. Are you talking about marriage or what you stand to gain from a girl? Son?
Hi, girls. If I sent for me.
Yes.
Okay.
I did. I heard there's a problem brewing among the three of you.
Problem? Ha! I'm not quarreling with anybody.
Mercy and Gift have already told me what the problem could be. I just wanted to hear from you.
And what did they tell you?
that Prince Chetana is...
Prince Chetana what? What about him?
That he's been trying so hard to sleep with the three of you. And they've been resisting him, so they want to be sure if you're on the same page with them. But he said you've been avoiding them since you came back from the palace yesterday.
Are you done?
Yes.
Look, Ifoma, if not for the respect I have for you and the bond we share, I would have left here now. Well, I went out with the prince just to help him serve his friends that came back from Canada at one of his friends' birthday party. And now it has turned to problem. How is it a problem? Just tell me. Well, since it is like this, all I can say is everybody should mind their business.
Chidene, it has not gotten to
it has gotten to this.
I'm trying to know how...
Please, I am done. Thank you.
What is even wrong with this girl? Eh? Anointing overflow.
You can see that this situation is not something we can amend today. So it's better for us to go home and sleep over it, so that by tomorrow we can talk about it. I wouldn't love my parents to come out and hear us arguing over a man. You understand?
This Chinenye, what her problem is what I don't know. I don't know.
Ezioku, you don't mean it.
I think something is wrong somewhere. Come on, girls, what's going on?
My prince, honestly, I don't know what their problem is. I have told Gift and Mercy that our lives should not be dependent on the choices of one another. Did I not tell you, girls?
Chinenye, you can't say you don't know what the problem is. You know.
Okay, fine. We all agreed to go to the same university. And at the same time, where has that left us?
Some will pass JAMB, while some will fail. Some will have money, while poverty will not allow 1 or 2 persons.
Okay, that's right.
For broad is the gate, and wide is the road that leads to destruction. Yet, many enter through it.
What about Ifoma? Did she wait for us when she said she was going to get married?
But Ifoma is not yet married. Okay, fine. We will get married the same time to the same man. Or probably let the 3 of us get married to Prince Chetana and solve his problem. Is that what you want?
Hey, 3 of us? You and who? You better know what your problem is. You better know your problem. Nonsense.
I hope this is not what I'm thinking.
If only you can share your thoughts with us.
Why are 3 friends jealous of one another? Because I know I have not slept with any of you more than how I slept with the next person. Yes. I honestly think I'm being fair in my dealings with you. But let me break it down. If you cannot get along and have fun, then you will leave me with no other option than to drop 3 of you and move on with another person. Okay? But if you can get along, fine. I can take you out of here and go spoil you a little. So, what do you guys say?
Fire! I'm telling you. See, you don't know me. I will order. I will begin to place. You know me. I can do spell. Don't give chance at all. I believe we will. Just with the you know what I can do. If you baby.
What happened? Last time I checked, you all wanted to chop one another's head. None of you was reachable yesterday and then today.
If a couple.
Forget that thing.
What is all this long talk? As if you don't know that as friends, we disagree to agree.
Which is normal.
Not when nobody told me what the problem was all about in the first place.
But you're not part of the problem, so why should you know what the problem is all about?
Oh, really?
Forget it. So, the prince.
Don't joke with me. Don't try that with again.
If I'm alright?
Yes, my prince.
Wow. Your friends have spoken highly of you.
Ouch! Oh, prince.
Yeah. They've spoken highly a couple of times about you.
Take it easy, huh? Yes, my prince. I am Ifeoma Onoche. And you, of course, do not need any introduction.
My prince, I hope you didn't find it difficult getting here.
Oh, if I should be a successful king tomorrow, I shouldn't find it difficult locating anywhere in my town.
Exactly, you're right.
Exactly. You spoke well like a real prince.
I promised you girls big treat today.
Oh, yes, my prince. You actually promised me. I was the person you promised.
Okay, I hope you're all ready for it.
I am ready. I am ready.
Okay, come on. Get inside the car, let's move. Are you not going with us?
I'm sorry, my prince. My mother asked me to take some things to the market for her.
Oh, come on. That shouldn't stop you from going to catch fun.
My prince, do not worry. She is not that type, okay?
Shut up. Please, my prince, do not listen to her. Maybe some other time.
But you're not that type. She didn't lie.
Oh, please go in. My prince, please.
You can go now.
We're ready.
It's okay. If you say some other time, then no problem.
Oh, yes. Yes, so.
Go now. You have okra to go and sell.
My prince.
Oh.
I'm the cheerleader.
Oh.
Anything you want to buy for you, tell me. Bye-bye.
Chinenye, where is she? Where is she? Kedia, where's Chinenye?
Just look at what you're doing to yourself. Imagine what you are doing to yourself. Killing yourself over a girl that is way out of your league. Now tell me, what have you achieved by spending your little savings on that girl?
I don't expect you to understand. I don't even want to ask you what you have also gained from spending your savings on Ifeoma.
Even if you were deaf, I don't think you're too blind to see that Ifeoma loves me.
With time, Chinenye will love me. It's a gradual process. You know the rush.
Really?
Yes.
I can only take a horse to the stream. I cannot force it to drink water.
as if horses live by drinking only water.
Chinenya!
Waka.
Oh, my prince.
If you need another thing, just let me know. Yeah?
Thank you. You're such a good man. Oh, where is Mercy?
She's on the phone.
Okay.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, no. I think we should go for shopping first. After that, we can now eat and go for swimming.
Oh, no. Let us eat first. And when we're done with eating, we will now go for shopping and then swimming. And by the time we're done with all of that, we would have lost some calories.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. So, tell me about Ifama. You know what? I don't know why the 3 liveliest girls I've ever met in my life are friends with one boring, stuck-up girl.
My friends, to cut the long story short, Ifoma is madly in love with Okodili, the Baba. Yes. And unfortunately, her life seems to revolve around him.
Yeah.
Her life revolves around him, the Baba, that cuts hair, a mere Baba.
Yes, my prince. A mere Baba.
How did that happen?
I don't know.
My prince, you know, for some girls, money and material things are all that matters.
Yeah.
While for some others, love is all that matters.
Yeah.
And Ifoma happens to fall in that category. And the man in question is also madly in love with her.
Yeah.
What is wrong with some girls?
I don't know.
Is she blind?
My prince, that was what gave his younger brother, who is also a Baba, the guts to start hitting on me. But trust me, I taught him the lesson of his life. Next time when he sees a girl, he would think twice before approaching her.
I trust you.
What is wrong with those Babas? Are they mad?
Don't mind them.
Instead of looking for something important to do with their lives, they are there investing their poverty mentality upon this kingdom.
I wonder, my prince. Please, let's forget about Ifoma and enjoy our time. You didn't bring us here to talk about Ifoma, but to spend some quality time with you and have fun.
Exactly. And seriously, my prince, I want fish since you said
It's
we should
okay, I
eat.
think you're right. So what are we doing next?
Shopping!
No. Since you said you want us to eat, me, I need fish. I need to eat fish.
Oh, okay. How do I look?
You're good as always.
Can I get a clipper? Good. Can I have my car key? Good. Oh, I know that look, but you don't have to come with me, okay?
How do I look? Thank you. Now give me my clipper. And where's my car key? I know that look, but you don't have to come with me.
Don't say anything, please. Yes. I know you want to say how sweet this food is. Please don't say anything. Don't say anything.
Okay.
Because I need to say something.
Customer, you're welcome. Come and join us.
Please, Chaitanya.
If I'm alright?
Yes.
What are you doing here?
This is my fiance's barber shop. And here is Ekene, my fiance.
Oh, I see. I heard he's one of the best barbers in this town.
Yes.
Okay, I've actually come to have my hair cut, but I can wait. I can wait till you're done with your hair.
No. It's please, the food can wait. You know, it's an honor to have you in my little barber shop. Please sit down. I'll take care of you.
Okay, you're going to follow the hairline cut. Huh? You're going to follow the line, this particular line you're seeing now, okay? Come on, let's do it. No, wait. Follow the line. Okay. Why don't you come over to this side? You're blocking the light.
No, just let me take care of you want
there's a better view here.
No, see what, just look in the mirror and then you see what I'm doing.
Because when I'm looking at the mirror, I'm seeing a light flashing from this side, you know. There's a better view here. Can you please come over this side? Please?
Let me take care of your hair. I'm doing this job.
Okay, go on.
Yeah.
Then I have to face you like this. Then.
No, just watch yourself in the mirror. Yeah, watch yourself in the mirror.
You're cool with it, right?
Yes. Just watch yourself in the mirror.
Good. Follow the. Come on. Come on. Remove. It's okay.
Wait.
It's
are
okay.
You, are you comfortable? You know, you can. So that. Shoot there. Okay.
No, she's not. She's not disturbing.
No, the light. Yeah, the light. See that? You okay? Good, baby. All right.
You good, huh?
Okay.
Okay, let's start from this side, okay? Come on, you're not focusing. Are you? Are you actually focusing?
Yeah.
My God. I see, we are done. Okay, we're done.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's okay,
nice.
just remove this. I know you're just the best. Just remove it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Thank you. Okay. The white stuff? The white stuff? Excuse me.
Wait.
No, I'm coming to that.
No, don't worry, you can have it.
The white stuff?
Yeah, you can have it.
Ify, get me my stuff, okay?
Don't worry, don't, just relax. It's my job.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Hold it then. Okay, I think I have some cash in my car. Thank you very much.
It's a very big honor, you know.
Okay, I think I'll have to.
It's a very big honor having you here. Yeah.
Okay, I'll take my leave now.
Yes.
Okay, bye. Huh?
I will leave now.
Yeah, of course, you're leaving.
Come to the car and collect him. Or rather, if you follow me to the car, so I'll give you the
I
money.
just told you it's an honor having you in, right? It's an honor having him around. That's
It's an honor, yes.
So you don't need to pay your prince, you know? Yeah.
Okay, so you have a nice day.
Yeah, you too. Have a wonderful day.
I leave now.
Yes, I'm going to have a very wonderful day. Yeah, you
okay, Fee. See you, Take care.
Please, don't say anything. Please.
I would have used that clipper. I would have stabbed his neck with the clipper or even shaved all his hair. He would have shaved all his hair. He thought he would. I would have just...
That would have been a very foolish thing to do.
He shouldn't have been looking at you and, you know, getting all over you the way he was doing.
Tell me, how do you gain satisfaction from being in possession of something very beautiful?
Well, you know, when people look at it and they admire it, it feels cool.
Don't bring your mother into this. Tell me, what do you have that is more beautiful than me?
Someone is about to blackmail me. Why didn't I see this coming?
You haven't answered my question.
Okay. You are the most beautiful thing I have.
It doesn't give you any kind of satisfaction that people love and admire me. It doesn't satisfy you that they desire but can't have what you have.
Thank you. Thank you for stopping me from doing something stupid.
I love you so much. I love you. And no one can take your place in my heart.
That's sweet.
Ifoma, why? Come, Ifoma, stop now.
Why are you following me?
Let me make this simple. This is not about me. See, I learned my own lesson years ago when I fell in love with your friend Mercy and how you all treated me like one piece of shit.
So what is this all about?
Prince Chitana has fallen head over heels in love with you. Well, maybe he hasn't gotten around to tell you, and I'm here to let you know he's got eyes on you.
Whoa. I'm honored.
Oh, you should be. But let me tell you a secret. Prince Chitana is rich and has a lot of money to throw around. He has so played with your friends and made them look like nothing but you. Miss something special. And I'll break this to you. He will use everything within his power to make sure he gets a taste of you.
Sam, I am taken, and I want you to respect that. And this is the point where you stop following me. And wait a moment. When you said my friends and I treated you like a piece of trash, did it ever occur to you that you were just a lousy a-hole who thought he was the greatest gift God ever gave to women?
What?
No, wait. Were you thinking we didn't talk about things? We knew you were hitting on all of us and saying trash about each of us to the other. So we allowed you fool yourself. Sam, no woman deserves a man like you. Go home and chew on that.
Sam, I'll definitely have the last laugh.
Daddy sent for me.
What is this thing that I hear?
Daddy, I don't understand what you're saying.
How will he be told that the son of Igwe Isaac will do nothing else but be frolicking around the village with girls? How do you think it will sound in the ears of our people?
Dad, I don't know how you see all these things. Huh? I've been having lots of consultations with different people. I've made new friends, male and female. So I don't know how somebody could come in here and tell you that I'm frolicking with girls, just like that.
Listen, I do not have a problem with you putting up a defense. But what I will not have is you dragging the name of this family in the mud with any disgraceful act. Do I make myself clear?
Dad, I do not.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Dad.
Better.
Why do I have this strong urge to have a taste of that Ifeoma girl? Does she feel she is better than her friends? But wait a minute. Why should the common Baba have her, but the prince can't? Okay. This is a challenge.
I know my parents will want me to marry as soon as possible. But I must get Ifeoma down first. I must get her down.
Messi!
Are you talking to me? Why are you screaming my name like that? I don't understand. You're welcome. If you want to talk to me, bring yourself here and do that quickly because I'm going somewhere very important. What is all this messy? What is it?
Missy, why are you being too harsh? Eh? Why? Why?
Oh, okay. I am so sorry, Mr. Obidike. How may I help you, sir?
Well, I need a favor from you. And it has to do with Chineye.
I thought she's close to you.
Yes, I'm trying, but she no longer gives me attention, no listening ear.
Then that means you're not trying hard enough.
I've tried over and over, but all I receive from her is insults.
Keep trying. Obidike, keep trying.
Well, I was hoping you could tell me one or two things that will help me in winning her love. Maybe one or two secrets. Eh? Just tell me something that will tell her she will hear and accept me as her boyfriend.
Hey.
Just she's your friend. No.
Eh? Tell you secrets. As what? No, make me understand. I should tell you secrets. Mercy to Obidike. As what? As gossip mates. Bestie or besto? Which one? Biawokem. I can see that you no longer know your level and boundary in this village. Take your time.
Sorry if I...
Stay far away from me. No. Stay very far away from me. Iriru.
I saw blue because I'm even asking you for assistance.
Hi.
Prince Chaitanya, what are you doing here? My friends are not here in case you came to look for them.
I am not here for your friends. I'm here to see you.
Me?
Yeah.
Why?
Why are you still wasting time?
Oh, is that your father?
Yes.
I would love to see him too. Oh, your parents actually.
Why do you want to see my parents?
Prince Chitana, what a surprise. Your father should have sent for me instead of sending you.
Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, sir.
You're welcome, my prince.
I didn't know this is your house.
Oh, yes, this is my house.
And my father did not send me.
Oh, you are welcome to my house. This is my beautiful daughter, Ifoma. And here is my lovely wife.
Honestly, I must say a very big thank you for giving birth to this beautiful and well-behaved girl, standing here like a goddess.
Thank you so much, my prince. It's very kind of you to say such beautiful things about our daughter. And let me also thank you for the money you gave to my husband.
Ma, come on, you don't need to thank me. I am so glad. Yes. Ma, you know, one of the most significant things I've achieved since I came back from Canada is meeting your daughter.
Ewe. Nani? Inanokwa? Adada, Ifoma, why are you standing there looking like a statue? Would have so go closer. Hey, so that you can hear him well. Would have been so.
My prince, I was actually on my way to an important occasion before I ran into you. If you don't mind, why don't you come inside? Let me at least offer you some cola nuts.
I would have taken a rain check on that offer of yours. But as a true son of the soil, I will come in, take a cola, then allow you go to where you've already dressed for.
Oh, that's good. You are a true son of your father.
Exactly.
Please do come in. Wayoma, please, get us some cola nuts.
Hey.
Please.
Hey. My prince, you're welcome. Hey.
My daughter, you heard what Prince Chetana said. Of course, your ears are not less in numbers than mine. So, my dear, what do you have to say?
Father, I am surprised you asked that question.
You don't have to be surprised, my dear. Anyway, I wouldn't want you to misunderstand me.
I've already misunderstood you. Yes. I saw the way you and mother were smiling when he said that. I don't even want to mention it. You and mother know that I am engaged to Okudele.
Ifoma, you are right. But the truth still remains that a young man came here, right in your own presence, declared his interest to make you his wife. He did not demand for an immediate answer. He said he will wait for our own reply.
So, what do you want me to tell him?
Ifoma, neither of us is going to live with the young man. But as your parents, we already know that the Asia Korea family will be a safe and comfortable place for you. But accepting to marry him is entirely your decision to make. My daughter, we stand behind you, whatever your decision is.
Ifoma, it is not a bad thing that men are seeking your hand in marriage. Really, it is something to be happy for.
You are like a ripe fruit that every man would want to pluck. Yes.
Prince Chaitanya has a lot of girls he can choose from if he's ready to get married. You have to tell him that I am not interested. Very soon, the one I love will come and pluck me.
What are you trying to say? See, let me tell you, instead of selling okrika, it's better we put our money together and go into hair business. Then we can add, what is it called? Nails, eyelashes, all those flashy things, and people start coming to buy from us. Do you understand? Yes, all those fashionable things, long nails, both short, medium size.
Yes, of my head, first of all, come out from the sun. In fact, remain there. Remain in the sun.
Please come out from that sun.
I insist we'll form a cooperative and go into farming. There is money in farming business. People eat every day.
And have herdsmen waste our efforts with their cows.
A better idea just came. Why don't we buy our own cows? Build our own ranch. And then be the major supplier to, the meat market, butchers, suya people.
Na so.
Ifoma. Can you imagine
Something is definitely not right.
Why are you stating the obvious? It's obvious something is wrong.
So, should we go after her or go inside to ask the person inside?
Ifoma.
Don't even ask me, because I'll start crying. There's a big problem. The problem is that I don't even know where to start from.
If you don't know where to start, start where you know.
Okay. I was leaving the house this morning when Prince Chaitanya drove into the compound and met my parents. Right in front of them, he said that the best thing that will ever happen to him is getting married to me. I knew it. I said it. It's a big problem, right?
What did you say to him?
I'm not interested, of course.
That is all that matters to me. If Chaitanya wants a piece of me, his teeth had better be deadlier than mine.
Okay. Please promise me that you won't do anything stupid. Please. Look into my eyes and promise me. Please.
Hell no. I am going to do something very stupid.
Hi. This life is deep, very deep.
Yeah? Are you guys going to wait for her to come back? I was thinking that you go and look for her and bring her back.
We'll go and look for her, Mama. Don't worry. We'll look for her. We'll do that for her.
Okay. Thank you. Dalon.
So, if we had not decided to ask what is wrong with our friend, we wouldn't have known that we have been betrayed. Hi. Just like that. I can't take this. Never. Hi. Someone has to pay for this.
Just like that. Someone has been paying for this. Yes. Someone has been paying. Just that we were blinded by the payment that we did not see this betrayer coming.
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about?
Maybe we should go to my house and hold my father responsible. Since... Bring your voice down. Since it is too complicated for you both to understand that Prince Chetana is responsible for this.
This is not about Prince Chetana at all. It is not about him. The first major breakup we had was when Ifeoma decided to leave us and marry Okudili. If not that things turned bad for Okudili, she would have left us a long time ago. And now this. I can't take it.
We have been slaving to have Prince Chetana. We have been telling her everything about him.
Biggest mistake.
Whoever imagined that she would use those things to scheme her way into his heart?
Kai!
Now look at it. He wants to marry her.
But wait.
Did any of you tell her that we have been sleeping with Prince Chetana?
Are you all right? Something wrong with you?
I'm not ready.
Wait. I have a very beautiful idea.
Okay.
An idea just came to my head.
Okay.
Yes. Why don't we call Prince Chetana and have an orgy with him? Cool down. You know they say, Awakaka nyomamere omofu. Kaitikata kono pia woko. Let's call him and arrange a good time for him. Deal with him in such a manner that, by the time we are done, he will never ever remember Ifeoma in his wildest dreams. He will not have a choice than to come back and marry the three of us. What did I say wrong? My idea is very beautiful idea.
In life, you choose your battles with wisdom. There are some battles that you don't need anyone to tell you that no matter how courageous and determined you are, defeat stares you in the face. It takes someone who has wisdom to know those kind of battles and avoid them with diplomacy.
I will assume you want me to avoid this battle.
It is very important for one to know that in a war, patience is a virtue that pays off more than jumping into conclusions.
You're getting me confused.
Okudile, in the battlefield, will you shout and correct your enemies when they are making mistakes?
Uncle, what exactly are you trying to say?
Well, I have nothing more to tell you. Ponder over what I've just said and face life like a man.
Okudili, you know that there is this saying that a fowl which laughs at the crackling sound of the feathers of a pheasant while it's being roasted in the fire should never forget that it has feathers and could be roasted tomorrow.
What is that supposed to mean?
Our people say that when proverb is...
Hey. I know that Mata Tolino Kawali and Ege Jununi and Ani. Managingwa. And Manamata Toinu Niatu or one Niachi. But I'm not. Hey, you don't need to sweat it. Don't. Just know that you, as a child, you begin to tell the proverbs your father told, you pay his debts.
Well, I don't know about debts and proverbs, but one thing I want you to know is that bad things can happen to anybody. when you were scolding me over my love for Chinenye, did you know that same fate will befall you? Okwa Prince Chetana apiago gazo. Okwa obajigo aka.
What fate has befallen him? I am right by his side, and that is where I always belong. Tell me, is Chinenye standing by your left or your right?
Has Prince Chetana called you?
He has neither called nor taken my calls. I was even trying to go to Mercy's place to know if he has called her.
Hey! Eh? If that guy thinks he can use us all and dump us one after the other, he has another thing coming.
You are very stupid. You are a big fool. I will personally make sure he dumps you and the rest of you pathetic fools. Yes, I will do it.
Look at this fool. Chinenye.
Chinenye what? Chinenye what?
Okidi.
Chinenye what? Are you not supposed to confront Ifoma and ask her what she has been telling Prince Chetana behind us? Are you not supposed to do that?
You're right, too. Then we'll have to go and see Okudili and tell him about it. I'm sure he will call Ifoma to order and make sure she never goes close to the prince again.
Now you're talking. Brilliant idea. See, we'll tell him in such a way that he will be very mad at Ifoma. Let's cause her some pains.
What are we waiting for? Please, let's go, Biko.
Look at them like gold diggers. Always looking for already made. They only care for the material things. If I yeah. Best of the same feather, they flock together. If only na choki be ya na cho. Yeah. Best of the same feather, they flock together. Fana cho ne fa
My prince. I'm good. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
This is.
Okay. Hey.
Look at them like
My prince. Don't tell me you know how to do
I
this.
hope you're not trying to tell me that I shouldn't be doing this. Because if that is what you want to say, then I should tell you that you should have gotten a machine that will always peel this for you.
Machine what?
Yes.
Onye dashes him. Yeah.
Sammy. My prince. Don't you 50?
Yeah, machine. No one you.
Well, don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
It's money, machine is money. It's not it's not a my case.
Okay.
My machine.
This is 50,000. I want you to use it and go to the market and get a machine that will always shell this for you, this melon for you.
You are joking, right?
No, I'm not joking.
You're serious?
I'm not joking, Mama.
You're serious? Hey, please, my prince, just tell me I'm not dreaming. Hey.
Mama, you're not dreaming. Call Ifoma so that she can confirm that you're not dreaming.
Ifoma?
Yes.
Ifoma is not around. She went to Okoteli's other shop.
Okay.
Hey, Nna, thank you so much.
It's okay.
God bless you.
It's okay.
God bless you. You just surprised me. This is so much.
Okay.
Hey,
Let us attack this before Ifoma comes back.
Yay!
Yes.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, let's chill it so fast.
God bless
you know?
very good for me. Oh?
It's okay, Mama. Has Ifeoma said anything about my proposal?
Not at all. But him one, I dey play hard to get.
Mama, I know I'm not rushing anything.
Good.
Okay, I'm not worried. They say good things don't come easy.
Hey, I love your wisdom, my son. I love your wisdom.
It's okay.
And thank you for your understanding.
Mama, it's okay.
My husband, welcome.
Mama Ifeoma, I hope you will not mention my name when you are called out on this atrocity you have committed. How could you compare the next Igwe of our town to sit down and share melon for you? How?
Ichie, she did not compel me at all. I just wanted to show her that men can also do certain things.
Oh.
Yes.
It's okay.
My husband, the prince did not only share melon with me. He also gave me 50,000 naira to buy a machine that shells melon.
50,000 naira?
Yes.
This is great. This is a big surprise.
Ichie, hold on. Sam.
Okay, my prince.
Ichie, this is your own 50,000 naira. Use it and buy your own machine and shell your own melon. In case she tells you men can't do certain things.
Wait, 50,000 naira for me?
For you, Ichie. Ichie, collect it, it's yours.
My prince.
Prince Tetana.
My prince.
Thank you very much. It's okay. You are truly the son of your father.
Yes. You're welcome, my daughter.
My daughter, you're welcome. Just like that?
Yes.
Prince,
how are you?
You're welcome.
I want to shave my beard.
I'll do that immediately. Let me sit. Okay.
Okay, can go on now. Hey, come on. What of your airplane? You don't use it here? Don't you use it here? Oh my God. So is that how you do behavior? Hold on. What designer is this?
It's Gucci.
Gucci? Okay, I can manage it. Manage it. Okay, can go on now. Just a little by that side. I don't need it to be too down. Okay, you can see the line. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So follow it. Hold on. I think. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. You can continue with this side. Come on. Let's go on. Go on. No, no, no. Let me have the clipper. Just watch me. I got this from Canada. You don't have to use it anyhow. Just softly and gently. Huh? You can see how I'm doing it right now. So you start from this line. Huh? Go on now. Oh, come on. Oh, God. It's okay. I'm done. I'm good. I'm good. Good. Come on, remove this. Come on, remove that. Wow. How do I look?
You look handsome.
Wow. I can say that again. Okay, come on. Go ahead and give him 5,000, equivalent of what I pay in Canada. My salute, yeah. And give him 2K. That's what I give people that work with my bad. This is good.
This is for you?
Yeah. You. Owe me 500.
When they said I should give you what he pays.
Yeah. Equivalent.
Yeah. So take it. For standing and watching.
Okay. You good?
Your baskets.
I could have killed him. Why? You could have killed him with that. He did not come here to barb. He did not come to shave. He just came here to rile me up. You know what? You did great by not getting riled up. Besides, we're a couple of thousands richer than we were a few minutes ago. So who's lost? Hey, what was that you did? When he asked, how do I look? Oh, what's it? Do I look good? And you were like, what was that? It's looking good. And how was I looking? Did you notice how I was looking? And you were.
This Christian man, he's very wicked.
Honestly.
He's a wicked soul. After making me get used to driving in his car, running errands with him, going everywhere with him in his car, I had to trek to fetch water this morning. Hey! Oh my word, it was very painful. This thing pained me to my blood. God will punish him. Oh.
I'm telling you.
God will punish him. What kind of human being is this?
Is that not Informer? She's coming. In fact, let's wait for her here. Let's wait for her.
Informer. Oko. They are here also.
What are you girls doing?
Mama, you want to pretend as if you not see us now. You just want to pass like that.
Where are you guys going?
Is this my madam? Her mother sent her on an errand and she had to drag me along. You see this girl? If she does not kill me in this village, I will live 150 years.
Please go.
Go where? Go where?
Please, I want to seize this opportunity to apologize for what I did to you girls the other day. Actually, I'm so sorry. It wasn't intentional. Please.
It's okay. What are friends for? I've forgiven you.
I won't lie to you. I was angry, but now that you've apologized, there's no problem. I've forgiven you.
Yeah, so you can.
Of course.
Okay, so I'll let you girls be. I'm out on my way home, so maybe we'll see later.
It's your way now. You can go.
Take care.
So bad. Okay, bye.
You see this girl? You see this girl? We'll be on our way to getting you kicked out of your relationship with Okudili and destroying you before Prince Chetana. Idiot. I will deal with you. What is it?
You just behaved like a witch. Me? So you didn't know what you were doing? Somebody just greeted now you're doing. Are you possessed? Ifeoma is not here. We were hoping to see her here.
Ifeoma left here a while ago. She should be home.
But we are coming from her house. She's not home.
Where could she be?
Maybe she could be at the palace.
Why would she be at the palace?
Because she could be there. She didn't tell you?
Tell me what?
Well, I know both of you have come a long way. But sometimes things don't work out as planned. When we had Prince Chetana propose to her, honestly, we felt bad for you. But on the other side, we felt a little bit happy for her because we know you always want her to be happy.
Ifeoma is at home. And I am very sure you checked her before she got home. By the way, did you girls call her on the phone?
We are not dummies. We know how to use phones.
You should have called her on the phone before coming here to tell your tall stories. If you think that what I'm saying is not making sense, then call her on the phone, put it on speaker, ask her where she is at the moment. I was a fool to doubt Ifeoma, but I'm not going to be a fool again. I won't let it happen.
My dear, that was exactly what the Igbo said.
Really?
I have no other choice than to accept it.
That's good. I'm not surprised too.
You want us to talk about Prince Chetana? Your mother and I are all ears.
I don't know how you knew I wanted to talk about him. But now you know. I would want to tell you that I am no longer comfortable with the way he showers you with money.
Ifeoma, if you don't get it, I will make it easier for you to understand. When the rich people need something desperately, they rely on their money to get it. That is exactly what Chetana is doing.
In addition to that, my daughter, if you are expecting us to tell him to back off, you will be very naive. We stand with you, my daughter. But we might not be able to survive an onslaught from the palace if they perceive this to be a do-or-die affair. I do hope you understand.
You think the best way to stop him is by collecting more money from him?
What do you propose we do? What?
You have to stop collecting money from him. I will do it my own way.
You had better not do something unreasonable.
Then do something reasonable.
Ifeoma. Ifeoma!
Excuse me, excuse me. What is it about you girls? That you wouldn't just allow my phone to rest just a minute. What is it?
Eh? So my calls have suddenly become a nuisance. Huh?
Hey. I will appreciate it if you mind the way you address me. Okay?
I didn't mean to disrespect you or who you are. I just want to know why you invited my friends and I, instead of taking my calls to know why I have been calling you.
Excuse me, is there another person that have serious thing to say?
Yes, I do have something very important to ask. Please, Your Highness, what are we now? We. What are we?
Anyway, Gift, maybe you have some reasonable things to say.
I don't have a question. But I need you to know that finding out things about Ifeoma from us and going behind our back to propose marriage to her is nothing short of betrayal. Does it mean that you didn't find anything good in any of us? Okay. Oh, we are good for your lust, right? But not good for marriage. Is that what you really think of us?
You're beginning to sound like a broken record, and that has a way of grating on my nerves.
Gift, forget it. My prince, I totally understand your stand. I understand you. And honestly, I have nothing against you. We should all not have anything against him. If I did not open for you, or if we did not... Yes, you opened for him. If we did not open for you, you wouldn't have entered. And now you have entered and you have had a taste of us. So it is time for us to shift away so you can do to others. I understand that. It's fine.
Anyway, you got it. I think you're smarter than your friends. But since none of you has something important to say to me, girls, I think we'll call it a day. You have a nice day. I'll see you guys later.
So you mean everything we just said here is not important? No one is important. My prince. Oops.
You guys made a fool of me. Moral of the lesson: never underestimate the power of one who has the ears of those above you. Executive Pilot 1.
With your washed gin.
What just happened now?
Erigo Ani, that is what just happened now. Nasi, onye eriri ọpụọ n'ụzọ ka eri onye ọzọ. Ọ bụrụ eri ege kwuru n'akụkụ kwaba akwa. Pụọ n'ụzọ.
Couple, something is about to get ugly. Things are about to get ugly right now.
Hey!
Eri ege pụọ ka eri onye ọzọ.
My friends, do not trouble yourself about those girls. You did exactly the right thing. Don't worry. With time, they will learn to move on with it.
You've always been right about them. I'm glad I listened. And I'll focus all my attention on Ifeoma. I don't really know what to do with her.
My prince, don't let that trouble you either. Oh, by the time you break her defenses and have a taste of her, everything will follow, my prince.
What did you just do out there? You could have been killed.
I know I could have been killed. But what you don't know is that I don't care if I live or die.
Why must you say a thing like that?
Your Highness, I am here to make you understand that you are wasting your time coming after me. I belong to someone special, and you cannot break the bond I share with him.
Ifeoma, you are not a challenge. You are a precious gem that needs to be taken care of with love. I have good intentions, wonderful intentions for you.
Prince Chaitanya, stay very far from me. If you need girls to satisfy your sexual urge, they are only a phone call away. I have nothing you deserve. and you have nothing I want.
So, the fact that I do not look around often does not mean you should leave the whole place unkept. You should take care of it and put everything in order. Is that understood?
Your Majesty.
Yes. You are Okudele the Baba.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Oh, really? So, what gives you the impression that you have the expertise and skills to cut the king's hair?
Your Majesty. I am very good.
Dad, he's not here to barb your hair. He's here to barb the dog. It needs grooming.
Really? Yes. So who was it you said was coming to give me a haircut?
Dad, he's on his way. He'll soon be here.
Very well then.
You, take him to the dog's house. He knows how to take care of dogs very well. Yeah. You can go now. So that you've not actually told me how you get to know about Sophia. You've not told me.
You amaze me. I've been listening to your conversations. I've heard you call her name a couple of times. I've heard you talk about her. So, when are you getting married?
There you go again. Dad, are we going to talk about this marriage thing again?
Why not? Or are you under the false impression that I have no thoughts of forcing you to get married? Now, let me tell you something. I was once a young man like you, and I know the freedom that comes with it. But you know what? You are overdue for marriage, son. But listen, this might come as a cliche to you, but your mother and I are actually waiting to carry our grandchildren. Stick that into your head.
How did you know about Sophia? That is my worry. How did you know about Sophia? How?
What happened at the palace?
I was just called there to be humiliated.
The Igwe humiliated you?
Chetana did.
You have to get me pregnant.
What did you just say?
Okay, a storm is gathering. I want it quenched.
We are not going this path.
Because you want to observe all the formalities.
Sweetheart, I need you to understand.
Because of what people will say?
No.
Okay, I don't want any stupid or undue pressure on me. You have no choice. You have to get me pregnant.
You don't get it, do you? I am not going to get you pregnant out of wedlock.
I can see you want to risk losing me to another man.
No.
I look at them like gold diggers. Always looking for already made. They only care for the material things. If I live, if I am, yeah. Best of the same feather, they flock together. If only na choki be ya na cho, yeah. birds of the same feather, they flock together. Fana chonye faye no yelele. When I know what it is, if I put kekino ya bukwano kekio, jiwayo is a gradual process yo. Yeah, unacho no what it is. I look at them like gold diggers, always looking for already made. They only care for the material things. If I live, if I am, yeah. Birds of the same feather, they flock together. If only na choki be ya na cho, yeah. Birds of the same feather, they flock together. Fana chonye faye no yelele. When I know what it is, if I put kekino ya bukwano kekio, jiwayo is a gradual process yo. Yeah, unacho no one